Hello guys, today I'm going to guide you on troubleshooting your email delivery issues, specifically when emails are not reaching your Woocommerce customers. So first, let's confirm your site is actually sending emails. Install a mail logging plugin like WP Mail Catcher or WP Mail Logging. So these plugins record every outgoing email from your WordPress site. So once installed, create a test order, then go to your admin panel and open the WP Mail log. You should see the email listed with details like receiver, subject, and message. If there's an error, note it down. That's your first clue. If your email was sent but not received, the issue is likely with your sender address. Go to WooCommerce, Settings, Emails. Make sure the from address uses your domain, like info@yourstore.com, not a public email like Gmail or Yahoo. Using a public email can trigger spam filters or get blocked entirely. Always use a domain matching email address. Next is to set up an SMTP provider. SMTP services like Sendinblue, Mailgun, or Postmark handle email delivery professionally. They are more reliable than your server's built-in mail function, and most offer free plans. Make sure your domain has proper email authentication, SPF, DKIM, and DMARC records. These tell email servers your messages are legit and help avoid spam filters. And then lastly, if no email was logged, something's blocking it. Check WooCommerce logs for fatal errors, then disable all plugins except WooCommerce and switch to a default theme. Try again, and if that works, re-enable plugins one by one to find the conflict. And that's how you fix WooCommerce email delivery issues.